Mastering cloud computing. Cloud chaos ensues without a robust service management strategy. Why do we need a robust service management strategy in place to ensure the optimal utilization, monitoring, and maintenance of our cloud resources? The world of cloud computing, where the boundaries of innovation and complexity converge. As someone who spent decades studying and advising organizations on operational excellence, I've had the privilege of witnessing firsthand the transformative power of the cloud. It was during my consultancy work with a prominent financial services company that I encountered a peculiar dilemma. The firm had embarked on a bold cloud adoption journey, migrating their entire infrastructure to a leading cloud provider. Initially, the benefits were palpable. Scalability, flexibility, and cost savings were just a few of the advantages that made the transition worthwhile. However, as time passed, the company began to struggle with the operational nuances of cloud management. Resources were being underutilized, and the lack of monitoring and maintenance was leading to unexpected outages and downtime. The organization was caught off guard, unsure of how to navigate the intricacies of cloud resource management. I recall thinking, this is not a technology problem, but rather a people and process issue. It became clear that the organization had not developed a comprehensive service management strategy to govern their cloud ecosystem. In essence, they were flying blind, without a clear understanding of their resource utilization, let alone how to optimize it. Through a series of workshops and discussions with the leadership team, I emphasized the importance of adopting a holistic approach to cloud management. We worked together to design a customized framework that addressed the entire life cycle of cloud resources, from provisioning to decommissioning. The breakthrough moment came when we introduced a cloud operations team, tasked with proactively monitoring resource utilization, identifying areas of inefficiency, and implementing automated remediation processes. This marked a significant shift in the organization's mindset, as they began to recognize the cloud as a dynamic, living entity that required constant attention and nurturing. As the new strategy took hold, the organization witnessed a remarkable turnaround. Resource utilization rates soared, and downtime decreased dramatically. The cloud, once a source of anxiety, had become a vital catalyst for business growth and innovation. Throughout this journey, I was reminded of the importance of social connection and interpersonal skills in driving change. By fostering open communication, active listening, and empathy, we were able to build trust among the stakeholders and create a sense of shared ownership. The cloud, after all, is a human endeavor, not just a technological construct. In the end, our collective efforts demonstrated that operational excellence in cloud computing is not solely about technology, but about people, process, and a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of these elements. As I reflect on this experience, I am reminded that true innovation often arises from the intersection of human ingenuity and technological prowess. Implementing a robust service management strategy is crucial to ensure the optimal utilization, monitoring, and maintenance of cloud resources. This strategy enables organizations to leverage cloud computing benefits while minimizing risks, reducing costs, and improving overall efficiency. To achieve operational excellence in cloud computing, a comprehensive service management strategy should encompass the following key elements. 1. Service level agreements, SLAs, establish clear, measurable and achievable SLAs that outline the expected quality of service, response times, and resolution targets for cloud resource provisioning, incident management, and request fulfillment. SLAs provide a framework for service quality measurement, helping to identify areas for improvement. 2. Service catalog. Develop a service catalog that provides a single, unified view of all cloud services, including infrastructure, platform, and software as a service offerings. This catalog enables users to browse, request, and track services, ensuring transparency and consistency across the organization. 3. Incident management. Implement a structured incident management process to detect, report, and resolve cloud resource-related incidents promptly. This process should include automated detection and notification, impact assessment, and root cause analysis to minimize downtime and data loss. 4. Problem management. Establish a problem management process to identify and resolve the root causes of incidents, reducing the likelihood of future occurrences. This process should involve problem detection, root cause analysis, solution implementation, and knowledge documentation. 5. Change management. Develop a change management process to control and manage changes to cloud resources, ensuring minimal disruption to business operations. This process should include change request submission, assessment, approval, implementation, and post-implementation review. 6. Configuration management. Implement a configuration management system, CMS, to maintain accurate, up-to-date records of cloud resource configurations, including virtual machines, storage, and networks. This enables efficient tracking of changes, accurate reporting, and informed decision-making. 7. Monitoring and reporting. Establish a monitoring and reporting framework to track key performance indicators, KPIs, service level achievements, and resource utilization. This enables data-driven decision-making, optimization, and cost reduction. 8. Automation and orchestration. Implement automation and orchestration tools to streamline cloud resource provisioning, deployment, and management. This reduces manual errors, increases efficiency, and enables scalability. 9. IT service continuity management. Develop an IT service continuity management process to ensure business continuity in the event of cloud resource disruptions. This process should include risk assessment, business impact analysis, and disaster recovery planning. 10. Knowledge management. Establish a knowledge management system to document best practices, lessons learned, and troubleshooting guides. This enables knowledge sharing, reduces repeat incidents, and improves overall operational efficiency. 11. Continuous improvement. Foster a culture of continuous improvement, encouraging feedback and regular assessments of the service management strategy. This enables identification of areas for improvement, optimization, and innovation. In conclusion, a robust service management strategy is essential for ensuring the optimal utilization, monitoring, and maintenance of cloud resources. By implementing these key elements, organizations can achieve operational excellence in cloud computing, minimize risks, and maximize business benefits.